Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how you can sign up for a online banking account on Bremer Bank. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and to press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open any web browser on your PC as I am using a Microsoft Edge for this. Now go in for new tab and search in for a bremerbank.com and press enter. At the official webpage of Bremer Bank, you can see the option of login on top right side of the screen. You click on it. Here, as we are going to get a new enrollment, you need to click on the link given below, that is Enroll in Online Banking. Now here, you can go in for choosing any of the enrollment, that is Enroll in Personal Online Banking or Enroll in Business Online Banking. As I am going with a Personal Online Banking. Welcome to Online Banking. Here, first of all, you need to choose your account type, that is either checking, savings or money market account or loan or line of credit. I'm going with the first one. Then you need to click on the checkbox I have read and agree to the terms of the online banking agreement and disclosure. Then you click on continue. For the enrollment in the Bremer Bank, you need to go in for providing the following details starting from the very first, that is your account information, first name, last name. Now you go in for providing your last 4 digits of social security number. Here you need to confirm your social security number by retyping it. Then you go in for providing your email address. Here you need to confirm your email address by retyping it again. Now you provide your chip. Now you go in for providing your account number. At last, you need to provide your last statement balance, that is the end balance of your statement. After you provide all the details, you need to click and continue, where you will be able to register yourself for the online banking account on Bremer Bank. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how you can create an online banking account on Bremer Bank. Thank you.